Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the justifiable acts under the general exceptions of IPC. A justifiable act is one which would have been wrongful under normal conditions, but the circumstances under which the act was committed makes it tolerable and acceptable. Primarily, act of judge and act performed in pursuance of an order under section 77 and 78. When judge acting judicially, nothing is an offence which is done by a judge when acting judicially in the exercise of any power which is in good faith he believes to be given to him by law. Section 78. Act done pursuant to the judgment or order of the court. Nothing which is done in pursuance of or which is warranted by the judgment or order of a court of justice, if done while such judgment or order remains in force, is an offence, notwithstanding the court may have no jurisdiction to pass the judgment or order provided the person doing the act in good faith believes that the court had such jurisdiction. Necessity is defined under section 81. Act likely to cause harm but not done without criminal intent and to prevent other harm. Consent under section 87 to 89 and 92. Section 87. Act not intended and not known to be likely to cause death or grievous hurt done by consent. Section 87. The accused 88. Act not intended to cause death done by consent in good faith for person's benefit. Section 89. Act done in good faith for the benefit of a child or insane person or by consent of the guardian. Section 92 talks about act done in good faith for benefit of a person without consent. Nothing is an offence by reason of any harm which it may cause to a person for whose benefit it is done in good faith, even without that person's consent, if the circumstances are such that it is impossible for that person to signify consent, or if that person is incapable of giving consent and has no guardian or other person in lawful charge of him from whom it is possible to consent in time for the thing to be done with benefit. Section 90. Consent known to be given under fear or misconception. Consent is not such a consent as is intended by the section of this code. Communication under section 93. Communication made in good faith. No communication made in good faith is an offence by reason of any harm to the person to whom it is made, if it is made for the benefit of that person. Duress under section 95. Act to which a person is compelled by threats. Except murder and offences against the state punishable with death, nothing is an offence. That's all guys, see you next time.